Hello students, in this video you will learn about Cannizzaro reaction. So what is Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction involves treatment of two aldehyde with a concentrated sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, and the aldehyde undergoes self-oxidation and reduction to form mixture of alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so some important point regarding Cannizzaro reaction. First point is the aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. So what is alpha hydrogen? What is alpha hydrogen? So the carbon directly connected to functional group. The carbon directly connected to functional group. This carbon called as alpha carbon. Okay, and the hydrogen attach to alpha carbon is called as alpha hydrogen. Okay, so what is alpha hydrogen? The hydrogen directly attached to alpha carbon is called as alpha hydrogen. So next point is the Cannizzaro reaction takes place in presence of concentrated or strong base. The concentration of base is 50% in Cannizzaro reaction. So next third point is in Cannizzaro reaction the self oxidation and reduction of aldehyde is take place. Okay, the self oxidation and reduction of aldehyde is take place in Cannizzaro reaction. Next is the aromatic aldehyde formaldehyde trialkyl acetaldehyde etc. undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so what is Cannizzaro reaction and cross Cannizzaro reaction? Okay, Cannizzaro zero and cross Can-Zero reaction. When reaction occurs in two same aldehyde, it's called as Can-Zero reaction. And cross Can-Zero is when reaction occur in two different aldehyde. Okay. So let's consider the reaction. Okay. The two molecule of form aldehyde double bond OH. It is your form aldehyde in presence of NaOH. It form alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, alcohol and carboxylic acid. So let's consider the mechanism of Can-Zero reaction. So in mechanism, first step is attack of nucleophile on carbonyl carbon, attack of nucleophile on carbonyl carbon and form anion. Okay, and form anion. So in this case, the nucleophile is OH minus. It is from base, OH minus. So this is your aldehyde molecule. Okay, and this is your nucleophile. It is attack on carbonyl carbon and form intermediate. Okay, this is your O. Okay, this is your anion. So next step, second step, the attack of anion on second molecule of aldehyde. Okay, in second step, this anion attack on second molecule of aldehyde. So second molecule of aldehyde, it is your second molecule plus this anion H O minus H, it is your anion. So this negative bond transfer here and this hydrogen attack on carbonyl carbon and bond transfer here, and it form this compound, this intermediate H O minus H plus H C double bond O H. Okay, these two intermediate are formed here. Sorry, this is your OH. Okay, so in second step, the carboxylic acid is formed and this intermediate is formed. Then this intermediate takes proton from solvent. This proton attack here and form CH3OH, means alcohol, and it is your acid molecule, OOH, acid. Okay, so it is your Cannizzaro reaction. So next is cross Cannizzaro reaction. So what is cross Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two different aldehyde in presence of sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, it form alcohol and carboxylic acid by self oxidation and reduction of aldehyde. Okay, so example of cross Cannizzaro reaction. Take one benzaldehyde, it is your benzaldehyde, and one form aldehyde. Okay, in presence of NaOH, it form alcohol and carboxylic acid. So it is your alcohol and it is your carboxylic acid. So what is mechanism of this reaction? Okay, in first step, the nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde. Okay, so take this is your aldehyde, formaldehyde plus nucleophile. This nucleophile attack on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde and form this product, okay, it is your anion. Okay, and this anion attack on another molecule of aldehyde. Okay, so next molecule of aldehyde is your benzaldehyde. Okay, it is your benzaldehyde and it is your anion. Okay, so this bond shift here and this proton attack on carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde and form this intermediate O minus. Okay, it is your H, it is also your okay, plus carboxylic acid. So this intermediate takes proton from solvent and form alcohol. Form this proton attack on your oxygen atom because it carries positive charge, oxygen carries negative charge. So it's attached here and it is your alcohol. This is your cross Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you.